Hi, hello friends. Hello Helen and Bharati. How are you?
Hi,
Hi,
we are
TVR.
fine.
We
We
are
are
fine.
fine.
Okay, good. Yeah. Right. So, how did you feel about knowing your baseline expressions, and baselines non-expression? Bharati?
It was awesome. It was awesome. It was a lot of learning about myself and my core and what am I and where am I lagging and
Yeah.
why am I lagging. So it was wonderful.
Wonderful and quite exciting. Now, in the
Yeah.
previous lesson, we have learned about how our baselines are not being met.
Yeah.
Yeah. So now we in this lesson we take up how they can be met by making some changes, right? So make it a balanced one so that we can lead a happy life. Okay.
Yeah.
Now I'll take you through that in the manual, page number 28. So there is an activity called change activity. So it is meant for thinking of scenarios. Previously we have done activities, and wherever those baselines are not met, so we are working on them for a change. Okay, by of some this activity. The outcome is to see that all your baselines are in sync with our areas of life, all important areas of life. That is the outcome expected. So steps involved are same thing like previously. Look at all the major areas of your life, and also think of all the possible ways you can make your core baselines to be satisfied in those life areas, right? So am I clear?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lan garu?
Yeah.
So can we proceed with the activity?
Definitely.
So here I will give you half an hour, so you can so see what all the changes can be done in respect of the baselines where they are not presently in sync with your other areas of life, right? So
Right.
take half an hour. So we'll meet after half an hour. So take the break. Right. Okay.
See you.
Bye.
Hello, friends. So,
Hi,
did you do the
TVR.
Hi,
exercise?
dear. Hi.
Hi, Alan and Bharti. So, did you complete the assignment given?
Yeah.
Yes.
How did you find it?
It was awesome. It was very
Awesome.
nice.
Yeah. Okay. Now, Bharti, can you tell me which changes you want to bring in for your meeting your baselines where you have not met so far? What are the
Health
baselines
is
first? Which are
health. It's health.
health, only health?
Yeah.
Great. Okay. Okay. Then what the changes you'd like to make in that?
No, before even making the changes, I'll give you some insight into what is the problem
Okay.
and
Okay.
why do I have to
Yeah.
make changes.
Yeah.
That's
Okay.
great.
Yeah, so I'll tell you, I've been diagnosed with autoimmunity and weak
Okay.
lung and weak lungs.
Acha.
Oh.
Okay.
And because of this, I am supposed to take lifelong medication to keep my
Okay.
lungs stable.
Okay.
And so I'm also supposed to use mask at public places, and I have to have a protein-rich diet. I also
Okay.
have to
Okay.
do pranayama without fail.
Okay.
Uh, and and take medication regularly, strong
Okay.
medication
Okay.
regularly.
Okay. Okay.
So when I just came to know about it in 2014,
Okay.
I followed all the instructions of the doctor to a T.
Okay.
But
Okay.
lately, I have started taking things easy, not
Mm-hmm.
following my doctor nor
Mm-hmm.
my family's advice.
Okay.
I've not been careful in public places.
Mm-hmm.
I have not been so very careful about my diet.
Mm-hmm.
And pranayama also, whenever possible, I used to do, but not on a regular basis.
No, in fact, no, that is the best medicine, natural
Yeah,
medicine to do
yeah,
pranayama. I have also
yeah,
learned that one. It's really,
yeah.
yes, worth doing it. Yeah.
So I have, when I started off, when I just came to know about the problem, I said I'll do everything possible to take care of the situation. But over a
Mm-hmm.
period of time, I started
Mm-hmm.
taking it light and not following what I'm supposed to follow.
Neglected. Yeah. Mm.
Yeah.
Mm.
So now when I went to the doctor recently, my lung seems to have deteriorated further.
Oh, okay. Uh-huh.
So now, after seeing that result, I decided that I have to take care of this.
Yes.
Whatever I
So-
do, whether I eat, whether I sleep, that is secondary, but I have to do pranayama and I have to take medication.
So you have now realized the importance. No? It's a great
Yeah, yeah.
revelation by
Yeah.
doing this activity, growth.
Yeah.
That's what the system is all about. Yeah.
Yeah. So now what the changes that I plan to do now is, regularly go for a health checkup once in every 3 months,
Okay. Okay.
and believe and trust your doctor completely.
That's
And,
very important. Without
yeah.
belief, that
Yeah.
placebo effect, no belief, no cure. So
Yeah,
I believe in the placebo effect also. Yeah.
Yeah. So now I decided you should have 100% trust in your doctor and his
Okay.
advice.
Okay.
So
Okay.
as far as possible now, I try to follow the diet tips, the medication, and the pranayama that my doctor prescribed.
Okay.
I-
Now
my
nowadays,
doc-
now that nowadays, trust is as worthy as the medicine. So if you don't trust your doctor, that medicine will not work at all. So
Yeah,
okay,
yeah.
you have realized that you should trust
Yeah,
it.
yeah, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, good.
Then my doctor, so I have now tried to incorporate the baselines here, which were missing. So my doctor
Okay.
earns his dignity and respect through his values of integrity and trust. He's so
Okay.
helpful in emergency situations too, by answering
Okay.
our queries through mails and by promptly picking up his phone. So I'm
Okay, very
thankful
good.
to, now thankfulness is missing, so I'm adding that also. So I'm thankful to my family and to my doctor, who are always there for me.
So you are virtually synchronizing all your baselines to this activity. So it's a
Yeah.
great revelation on your part. I am okay. Really, I feel very good for your breakthroughs.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now onwards, you will take more care and you work on these changes that you have just now said. No? So
Yeah,
that's what such a powerful is the system where discoveries or breakthroughs are bound to come for our transformation. So I'm glad that it has worked with you also. Yeah, very good. So now coming to our Ellen. So Ellen,
Yeah.
can I ask you on some questions on this?
Yes.
So,
Yes.
so in which areas you want to work on and bring about the changes where your baselines are not met? How to bring about the changes?
My baselines are not met in wealth and fun and recreation and possessions.
Okay.
And even health also. But my lowest rating in the wheel of life was for wealth and fun and recreation. So, I mean, like fun and recreation has been haunting me actually, because I was a kind of person who was fun, related to fun. And I used to watch a lot of movies. I mean, there was I don't know whether I told you or not. There was a time when we used to go and watch movies just for the sake of watching movies. Like we used to get the feedback also that the film is a very big flop, but still we used to go and watch that movie. To find out the reason why it is a flop.
So fond of pictures. Good.
I mean, everything. I mean,
it's a fun moment for you. Fun moment.
To go different places. I used to do so many things, but off late, maybe for the last 3-4 years, I'm unable to concentrate this kind of thing, and so that's where I found that I'm missing this part of my life. So what I thought is, I always enjoyed these trips with my family only. So
what do you want to do now? How do you want to work on it and improve it?
Yeah. I mean, like maybe if what I do is generally I catch up with all my family members, that is my wife and children, and see that they are free, and I plan accordingly. But now my children have grown up. It is not the situation as it was 3-4 years back. So now I need to make out in a different manner, to make a difference. I need to leave my children. If they want to come, I can welcome them. But if they don't want to, if they don't have time to come, then I should discard them and take my wife and for a trip or something like that. And I need to do the change actually, because of my children's preoccupation, I am unable to recreate my wife also.
But you should not, at the same time, you can't afford to neglect your health as well, or your part of it as well.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. I mean, like for health, I'm doing yoga every day. 1.5 hour session is compulsory in my life for yoga. So
yoga, in fact, no, yeah, really, yoga is a powerful medicine. In fact, no, for our maintaining energy, focus, and all those things. In fact, I like doing. I'm fond of doing it.
Yeah, like when Bharti was saying, like she has to do pranayama. So I just wanted to say that what kind of pranayama you wanted to do. Like there are different types. Like to increase the lung power, you have the Bhastrika pranayam, right?
Yeah, Bhastrika is there.
You have different kinds of the Anulom Vilom pranayam by
Anulom. Yeah. I have also learned them.
We can do it, but I just thought that okay, she is in a good guidance and she is taking care of her. So I just don't want to put my nose into that.
No. Otherwise, also you can help her. You can help her.
You don't have to think like that, because good advice is always welcome.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
But the way you were saying, like I thought that okay, you are in a good guidance actually.
Good.
I was actually to add to that. I after I realized that I have to do pranayama, I registered with a expert in pranayams, different kinds of pranayam. She used to come home and teach me different kinds of pranayam, which would be suitable for my condition.
Okay.
Depends upon the yes.
Yeah. So she taught me all of those.
But how do you feel now after started doing that pranayama? Do you find any difference?
Good, but I started only recently. I know it is good, but I've been neglecting. I know it's good, but I have been neglecting. You know, see, when it's just diagnosed, you were like all into it and you do it, and after a time, when it's not troubling you much, externally you don't feel anything. You know, internally something has happened.
Yeah, Bharti, I just
externally, if you look at me, you would feel that she's in perfect health.
That's what.
Yeah. So
I think you know, by seeing me, you will not think anything about my issue. All of a sudden, so if I say about but you know, I also sustained that valve issue. I got 3 valves in my heart. So I am an Iron Man with 3 valves.
Actually, your attitude also matters. You know, your attitude matters a lot. If you think that,
definitely.
If I heard about this and I would feel sad, why did it happen to me now? Why did it not happen to? If I start feeling that way, then I would my condition would deteriorate even further. But I had taken it in a positive way, saying that everyone would have some health issue. But
it's the pure question of your state of mind, as you already learned in different stages. So if you maintain the state,
take it in a positive sense that everyone, anytime, what happens to you in your life, you cannot say. So one
totally unpredictable,
unpredictable. And if you accept the situation and do what you have to do in that condition, you might do wonders.
Definitely.
I'll tell you one thing, Bharti. Actually, the way you were saying that you don't you neglect things. I mean, I resonate with you, because I also though I am disciplined in most of the matters, when it comes to my own health, I am a little neglecting, because I mean, like, maybe it is the personality type also. Does work on that. And you were saying that you are 2 with major portion of 9. So I am type 9. So maybe type 9s are like that.
Conflict. We don't want conflict at all. We want to see everyone happy all the time. You know, you can't make anyone unhappy.
That's true.
You'll make yourself unhappy. That is okay for you.
So now I think you have discovered, after going through the processes of this coaching. So this is the power of coaching, where we realize, we get breakthroughs, we understand ourselves, making a lot of discoveries which we have not done so far. So everything is coming to light. No, that is
Yes.
the impact of the coaching. So of course, and now with this, we are coming to the end of first week course. So now in the next course, in the next week, we'll take you through the integrated power coding. So you will also enjoy that part also, as you have enjoyed throughout this first week journey. So it will be a wonderful and exciting journey, I can assure you. And any other clarity you am I clear on this part?
Almost. We are clear with what we are doing and what we have to do.
Yeah. So
It's
very
wonderful,
clear,
wonderful.
but then, Ellen, I would suggest that, we finished, as our coach said, we finished our first part of it very successfully. So I think we'll acknowledge our coach.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, and
I too enjoyed coaching with my incredible coaches. Really wonderful working with you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Right.
So bye. See you next week with second week's program. Right?
Thank you.
Until then, goodbye. God bless you.
Bye.